Hi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to change the FlowFuse logo on the login page with a custom logo. When we access FlowFuse, we are greeted with a login screen that features the default FlowFuse logo. To find the name of this logo file, right-click on it and select Open in New tab. In the new tab, you will see the file name and the URL. Copy the file name so we can easily locate it later. Next, open the WinSCP application to explore files on the VPS, and launch putito run commands in the terminal to search for the location of the logo file we copied earlier. Once we find the logo file's location, copy the folder path so we can access it easily. Go back to the WinSCP application, open the Open Directory option, and paste the directory path we copied earlier. This will take us directly to the location of the logo file. Inside this folder, we can see several files. As a backup, I will create a duplicate of the original logo file. Next, I have prepared my own logo file to replace the existing one. To ensure it works correctly, I will rename my logo file to match the original FlowFuse logo file name. Then, I will copy it into the folder to replace the original logo. After replacing the logo file, the process is complete. Now, we can go back to the FlowFuse login page. When we refresh the page, we will see that the FlowFuse logo has been replaced with our custom logo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.